Information is really the lifeblood of business today. And SOA is critical for helping companies move information, understand information, and have the right information at the right time. So companies want to be able to actually introduce changes into their environment that their competition can't keep up with. So that's really the strategic benefit of business agility, and that's really the core value proposition of SOA. So there's this short-term tactical benefit of reuse, of simply reduction of redundancy. And that's a great cost benefit that companies can use to justify an SOA initiative. But then there's also a benefit for being able to reuse capabilities to provide greater value across the organization. So by building shared services that are shared across the organization, they're better able to identify their best customers and then serve these customers in an effective way. SOA is a great way to reduce the cost of integration while introducing new flexibility. So you can basically have two benefits. You can reduce the cost and get greater flexibility as well. Well, one of the other key benefits of SOA is the regulatory compliance benefit. It can be an enormous challenge and very expensive challenge for companies to comply with this broad set of regulations. So what SOA brings to the table is it enables companies to deal with heterogeneous technology and gives them the visibility and control they need in order to comply with regulations. And that can be very critical when ROI doesn't stand for return on investment but stands for risk of incarceration. Well, when looking for the right kind of project for an SOA pilot, it's important to pick a project that will show some real business benefit. So an SOA project should be able to actually solve some specific business problem. But the real key is to have some real bang for the buck, to show some positive ROI so that it can build acceptance for SOA as an approach across the organization. The best partner for an enterprise looking to do SOA is a partner that can bring both best practice expertise as well as software to the table. So it's difficult for software vendors that don't offer that expertise as well to really have a solid SOA story, because they're looking to sell software and just hoping their customers know what to do with it. So they're really the best sort of partner for a large enterprise in particular, but even mid-sized firms, is to go with a company that has both the consulting as well as the software value proposition and really knows how to put together the whole SOA picture.